Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset a Miele washing machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so on your washing machine, you want to turn the machine off using the power button if it's available. And then you want to unplug the washing machine from the wall socket. And then wait 10 minutes to allow the internal electronics to fully discharge. And then simply plug the machine back in, turn the machine back on and see if the problem is resolved. Now, if you're after a full factory reset, it just depends what Miele model you have. Newer models such as W1 or WXR series allow a factory reset via a hidden menu. So with the machine powered off, press and hold the start button. While holding start, turn the machine on. Then keep holding start for about 10 to 15 seconds until lights blink or a special menu appears. Then navigate using the control dials or buttons to reset settings to default.